Most video editing tools suck. They're clunky, slow, confusing, and unless you're some kind of editing pro, they end up being a complete waste of time. I'm always on the hunt for those rare good video editing tools, and I just found a great one. Runway. This platform is packed with features that make it possible to create high-quality, AI-generated videos right from your browser, even as a complete beginner. This platform also comes with the tools you need to manipulate videos and images, and even create entirely new characters from scratch, all with AI. In this guide, I'll cover everything you need to know about Runway. Getting started with Runway AI. To start using Runway AI, click the link in the description to head over to their website, then sign up for a free account. The platform runs directly in your browser, which means no downloads or installations are required. You'll be brought to the main dashboard once you log in. The layout is user-friendly and organized so that it doesn't overwhelm you right off the bat. On the left-hand side, you'll find the asset folders. This is where all your media, whether it's uploaded by you or generated by the platform, gets stored. These folders help you keep things organized as you work with your content. Below that, there's a list of the tools you'll be using. This includes everything from AI video generation to image manipulation. Whether you want to create something from scratch or adjust an existing piece of media, the tools here make it possible. Once you're familiar with the dashboard, you'll see that there are tutorials available to guide you. These tutorials are especially helpful if you're new to the world of AI-based creative tools. They'll walk you through everything, step by step. One thing to note is that Runway offers a free plan with limited credits, which you can use to explore the platform. If you want to generate larger videos, higher resolution content, or access more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. But even with the free plan, you'll get a good sense of what Runway can do without committing to anything. Creating videos from scratch with Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. Now that you're familiar with the platform, let's get into creating videos. Runway offers several AI models for video creation, but we're going to focus on Gen 3 Alpha Turbo for this tutorial. Why this one? Because it's fast and ideal for getting high-quality results with relatively little input. The beauty of Gen 3 Alpha Turbo is that it can take an image or a video you provide as a reference and generate a whole new video based on your description. To start, head over to the generative session. This is where you'll set everything up for your new video. When you're in the session, you'll have 3 AI models to choose from. Pick Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. Next, you'll need to upload a reference image or video. This is where the AI gets its starting point. If you're using an image, you'll upload it into the prompt section. From there, you can crop or adjust the image if you need to. Afterward, you'll write a description of what you want the video to look like. Be as detailed as possible. Think about the subject, the background, the type of movement you want in the scene, and the overall environment. The more specific you are in your description, the more accurate the result will be. Runway also offers prompt templates to help you get started if you're feeling unsure about how to word things. These templates are a good way to learn what kinds of prompts work best for different types of videos. If you're stuck, it's worth taking a look at those to get a sense of how to structure your requests. Once you've described your video, you'll want to set the aspect ratio and resolution. The aspect ratio could be landscape or portrait, depending on the platform you plan to use your video on. For the resolution, 720 pixels is the default, but you can adjust it if you need to. If you're using a reference video instead of an image, you'll need to adjust the structure transformation level. This controls how much of the original video's layout and movement the AI keeps. It's an important setting, especially if you're working with something complex like a video, as it helps maintain the general flow and coherence of the scene. Once everything is set, you'll hit Generate. The AI will start working, and within a few moments, you'll have a video that matches your description. If it's too short, the default length is 10 seconds. You can extend it by adding more description, or if the video is exactly what you need, you can download it in MP4 or GIF format. After your video is generated, you can edit it. Use the keyframe control options to refine transitions between scenes. You can also use camera control to add dynamic effects like panning, zooming, and tilting. These small adjustments can really make your video feel more engaging and professional. Manipulating existing videos with Gen 3 and Gen 1. If you already have a video but want to modify it, Runway AI has tools for that too. You can use either Gen 3 or the older Gen 1 model to manipulate videos. Gen 3 is simpler and faster, while Gen 1 gives you more advanced control, though it uses up more credits. To use Gen 1, you'll head to the video-to-video section. Upload your existing video and you'll see a variety of options for how you can modify it. You can describe how you want the video to change, upload a reference image to guide the AI, or even tweak the video's aspect ratio. You can adjust style strength to control how much influence the AI has over the video's overall look. If you want more subtle changes, this is the setting to tweak. If you're looking for something more drastic, you can increase the weight and let the AI have more creative control. Creating custom characters and animating them. One of my favorite Runway features is its ability to generate custom characters from text prompts. You can use the text-to-image tool to create detailed images of characters based on your descriptions. Once you have the image, you can animate it by uploading it into a generative session with any Gen 3 model. You can even upload a video and use the Act 1 tool to make your character mimic the facial expressions and movements of someone in the video. This is perfect for adding a personal touch to your projects or creating original characters that feel realistic and dynamic. For even more realism, you can use generative audio to add dialogue to your character. Upload an audio file or type out a script, and the AI will sync the character's lips and movements to the audio. This can take your project to the next level. Editing and enhancing images. Runway AI isn't just for video. You can also use it to manipulate and enhance images. With the Infinite Image tool, you can expand an image by placing a frame around it and describing what you want to appear outside the original boundaries. You can also use Erase and Replace to edit specific areas, replacing parts of the image with something new. For background changes, use Backdrop Remix to swap out the entire background with a new one based on your prompt. If you need higher resolution, you can upscale images using the Upscale Image tool, which allows you to increase the resolution up to 4K. This is a great, versatile tool, and it's definitely better than most of what I've seen out there. So if you're looking for something to take the headache out of video editing, I definitely recommend giving this a try. You can use the link in the description to create a free account. What will you use Runway for? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.